If you want to know how to add features like this to Edmodo, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. Today we're going to learn how to personalize your Edmodo account. So we're going to be adding a picture to our profile, we're going to be adding banners, and we're going to be making posts. So if it's the first time you're joining us, welcome to Teach Us. It is a channel that looks at online tools and platforms and resources for teachers. We're going to kickstart this tutorial by logging into our Edmodo account. So while the page is loading, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to add a profile picture to our Edmodo account. So once the page loads up, we're going to look for the profile icon that is to the left of your page, and you're going to click it. Once you click it, then you look to the bottom of that, you see profile, and you're going to click that as well. Once the next page loads, we're going to click the profile icon again. Right there, we're going to click it again. And then you're going to see upload photo. Now we have two options. We can upload a photo or we can use an avatar. So we can personalize an avatar. For this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture. So I'm taking the profile picture from my files. So I'm going to search and look for a picture that I would like to add. And then I'm going to add that picture. So I'm using my Bitmoji app. So these are pictures that I would have downloaded from Bitmoji, which allows you to actually make yourself into a cartoon, right? So that is what I did. I used the Bitmoji to create a cartoon version of myself, and I'm going to be adding one of those pictures. And this is the picture that I selected. No, I think I accidentally touched something, so I have to do this over. So I'm just going to go back in and select the picture. Once I do that, you click update. Once you do that, you click update, and then you scroll to the bottom of the page, and then you're going to click OK. And that is how you create or upload your profile picture in Edmodo. Next step is to fill in some personal information. So you can click Add Your School, and that will enable you to put where you work. So you can use the Find Your School option. So you type it in the search engine, or you type it in the search. I'm using Edu-Tech University. It's not an actual university, but I'm just showing you how it works. Now, as you can see, the name did not populate because it's not in the system. However, when you do it, then more than likely your school should appear. If not, the option is there for you to add the school. Some other features of Edmodo, or other features that allows you to further personalize your account, is to add a bio. So you just click the plus icon there, and then you're able to add your philosophy and give a more in-depth explanation as to who you are for your students. You can add your interest, so you can select from the subject areas that they have there, and you can add your experience as well. So other teachers within the Edmodo community can have an understanding of your background and what you do. and what your experiences are. You can also link it to your social media platforms. Next, we're going to be customizing our classes. So we're going to click the icon that allows us to go into our classes, the one with the two hands at the bottom. As you can see, I have already added a banner to that one, so I'm going to show you how to do it for Chem 20. So you tap the subject. Once you do that, it will take you to that course or within that course. Then you're going to tap the bottom. You're going to see Add Class Image. And then you're going to click Add Class Image again. Then you're going to select whatever picture, poster, banner that you would have already made and then upload it. So I already went ahead and pre-made my banner. So I'm just going to upload it from my files. Alright, so that's the banner that I'm using, the first picture. And then I'm going to click Save. So once I upload it, I click Save. And that is how it's done. Simple and easy. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. However, though, you do need to know the dimensions. So for Edmodo, it's 800 pixels by 200. So you have to work within that dimension for the best possible fit. The next thing that we're going to learn how to do today is how to add a post, specifically a welcome message. So I'm going to start by clicking post, and then I'm going to upload a post. So the option is there, the first box that you see there, that's the feature that allows you to upload images, files, audio files as a post. So it can be an audio post, an audio welcome message, or it can be written. So if it is that you have an attachment, you can do that. So I'm attaching a digital poster as a welcome message. So I would have already pre-made that poster. So I'm going to go ahead and take it from my files. Then I'm going to click it. Once I click it, then it will upload. Waiting. Once it is finished uploading, then the post button at the bottom will turn blue, and then I'm going to click that. But you can also add a little message if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just for you to see how it will appear with text. So I'm going to type "welcome back, guys" as my message to go with the post. And then I'm going to go ahead and click post so that the students will see it once they come into class. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and click play for you to see it. And so that is how you can go ahead and add a welcome message or a welcome post in Edmodo for your students when they log in for virtual learning or for virtual classes. I hope this tutorial was informative, and I hope you learned a lot. And thank you for joining us, and thank you for staying tuned.